Hey. Hey, Redd. It look like it's going down in here, Redd.
I see. It's a lot of people. Look at
man,
them.
we done had to park 2 blocks away. This crazy. They thick in here, Redd.
No.
We finna park. Listen to that music,
I
Redd.
know, it's loud too.
Oh, shit.
Hey. Okay.
It's a jam. Party going up to the end. Everybody pulling out the cam. And they feeling like the fan. And I'm feeling like the man. Everybody knows just who I am. Too hype in the party. Too hype. Feeling like my birthday. I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand.
Hey, SugarBabyy, you got to get what?
Come along on the biggest ride.
Where you at?
Man, I'm right here. Came a little distance, but we out here, baby.
Yep.
I'm out here. I'm on tools. I'm looking for more tools. All I see is 4s or more.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We here, baby.
We're here.
We here. It's going down. Phormed Alliance 15th anniversary party. We going down. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey, look what we got. Come on, shit. All over here, baby. All over here, baby. We getting down. 15th year anniversary. Go ahead, Redd.
Tonight we hanging out with Phormed Alliance on that 15th anniversary.
Lynn is in town, baby. SugarBabyy in town, baby.
At the
Sherri, hold up.
We at the Hope headquarters
Yes.
on 14731 Drexel Avenue in Dolton, Illinois, y'all. Hanging out with my girls.
Hey. They here. Everybody here. You better get on out here.
Tell them what's going on. Tell them what's going on. The car day, downtown Smith does. So we want to go in and wear with them. Everything he said.
It's a feeling that you can't deny. It seems to be what I like. All of our rides are on it, making me feel alive. Yeah, you know that I want it.
Hey, this your boy, #1 Harley boy, Byron, baby. I'm here with the homegirl, Sherri. We 30 years in. We support them. They support the Harley boys. We support them. It's all family, one love. Tell them about yourself. See the founder.
Yes, I've been with Phormed Alliance. I'm the founder, one of the founders, and it's Miss Sherri. All right, that's my bike name, baby. And we definitely support the Harley boys and girls, baby, for life. This is what we do. Chicago, we celebrate life, liberty, justice. We ride.
We ride.
Yes, sir. 15 years in, baby.
No tools of division. We all together, one love, one ride, and all the same win.
That's right.
And you need to get to this party. It's off the chain.
That's right. 15 years for the Alliance anniversary. We're here at the House on 147th and Drexel. Let's go, baby.
What's up, Redd? How you doing? I should think
Since the last time I interviewed you,
yeah, at the picnic. It's a picnic. Yeah, well, I have everything going. It's pretty good, y'all. Everything all right. We get nowhere around. You can't support around. I say, you can't support for always for somebody. That's all, huh? Shut it down. Yeah.
it's good to see you. It's packed up in here.
Oh, yeah. Get it down, get the ski all again. And the thing that you all do, big up. You have the big one, big up to the beach. What's up? Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. This is a heck of a party here, boy. Heck of a party here. I got you on camera, nigga.
What's up, good people? We're here with all of my on their 50th anniversary. And the home headquarters. The home MC headquarters. Just my girl SugarBabyy. She's a founder of Phormed Alliance. She moved out of town on this one. But she's back for that 50th anniversary. Give us your background. I'm the Phormed Alliance MC. Okay, awesome. All right, so if you say it's me, SugarBabyy, dandelion founder, one of the 4 founders, myself, BJay, Frankie, and Spanish Fly, Tiffany. And this is our 15th year in the game. And, you know, we had a new big thing. We had to stay. We built a good foundation, and no matter the ups and downs throughout the years, that foundation can't be broken. We're hosting it here at our club, our brother club, the Hunk, Illinois Hunk, Boss Man. They always show us love. They've been supporting us since day one. And so it's only fair to make sure we do our thing here at our clubhouse. at that clubhouse. So what's next for y'all? Y'all, y'all been here for 15 years. Y'all doing big things. What's next? Y'all have any plans on doing something a bit different? Well, we're in a rebuilding stage now. As you know, I retired. I live in Tampa, Riverview, Florida, and so our new president, 2 Wild, and Sweet Pea is our vice president, and so they have a few changes up their sleeve, and we're in the rebuilding process. But you ain't gonna be able to tell about it tonight because this shit about to be on the stage. Hey, y'all heard what we're on there? I'm with you. Up here for the 15th anniversary, and we just gonna have the fun ticket. Probably. That part right there.
Legendary, baby.
Yeah.
We follow him. Yes, sir, salute.
Been knowing him for a long time.
Redd, man. Go and tell me. Hey,
Steps, I ain't looking back, just doing my thing all day. Never hold my breath, always winning chess. Got 100 bets on my parlay.
Redd, what about to do?
Man, I'm finna write my name on this wall.
That's
I
right.
used to be an MC, so hey, I just put my name on this wall.
Redd. Go on, baby. You know me, the #1 Harley boy, Chicago, Detroit, Toledo, Cleveland, baby. We putting it right here.
Put my name on that wall. Look at this wall. This like every clubhouse. Yo, they right in front of you. Some man you right there with the wall. You show that you were here.
man, it's cracking in there. Red, I'm sweating, man. It's going down in there. They got the old 80s, 90s rap.
Yes, it's going down. But you know what?
Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! One of the founders! One of the Hardy Boy founders, right? Me, Mike, Steve, Head, Eric, we all founders, baby. Mike, yes. We got back on camera, baby. It all been Chicago Hardy Boy founders, baby.
Yes, you know
Black Steve, did I say Black Steve? I think I said Black Steve, all right.
You know what? But we came,
And Kim.
we saw, and we supported.
And we supported
And we want y'all to support the
biggest rides. All right, B. Okay. Yeah.
Come along on the biggest ride.